the freeze dryer installation cost and ROI are critical considerations for pharmaceutical, food, and biotech companies planning to adopt lyophilization technology. Installing a freeze dryer involves more than just the purchase price. It also includes expenses for facility, modifications, utilities, and compliance with regulatory guidelines. Understanding these costs and how they translate into returns on investment ensures that businesses make informed, profitable decisions. Moreover, the ROI from a freeze dryer depends on production efficiency, product quality, and reduced waste. When properly installed following GMP freeze drying guidelines, freeze dryers can deliver consistent product quality and help avoid costly batch failures. By optimizing operational processes, companies can achieve faster payback periods and improve profitability. This guide explores the breakdown of installation costs, strategies to maximize ROI, and how factors like energy efficiency, preventive maintenance, and process optimization, such as primary drying phase optimization, can significantly enhance returns. Understanding freeze dryer installation costs. Freeze dryer installation costs vary depending on unit capacity, technology type, and application. For large-scale pharmaceutical manufacturing, expenses typically include equipment purchased depending on capacity. A high-end GMP-compliant freeze dryer can cost from $150,000 to over $1 million. Facility modifications adjustments to meet lyophilization room requirements, such as clean room upgrades, HVAC systems, and flooring. Utility setup, installation of vacuum pumps, refrigeration systems, and temperature control equipment. Qualification and validation. Following lyophilizer qualification guidelines to ensure compliance and performance verification. For smaller units used in R&D or pilot scale production, costs are significantly lower, but ROI analysis remains just as important. Factors affecting ROI in freeze dryer investments. The return on investment from freeze dryers is influenced by multiple factors. Energy efficiency advanced models with features outlined in the Energy Efficiency and Lyophilization Guide can lower operational costs. Process optimization, reducing drying times through optimized cycles, improves throughput. Product yield and quality, minimizing vial appearance defects, helps avoid reprocessing or wastage. Maintenance practices, regular freeze dryer performance testing ensures consistent operation and prevents downtime. Batch size flexibility units designed for both small and large batches maximize production adaptability. Strategies to boost ROI, from freeze dryers to maximize ROI. Implement predictive maintenance using monitoring systems to avoid failures like compressor excess temperature issues. Optimize batch loads. Ensure the freeze dryer operates at full capacity without compromising quality. Invest in training skilled operators can prevent critical defects that reduce ROI. Use process analytics tracking chamber pressure and shelf temperature for efficiency improvements. Consider modular designs enables phased investments and expansions. Conclusion: balancing costs and long-term gains. While the freeze dryer installation cost and ROI may seem daunting at first, strategic planning ensures the investment pays off. By focusing on compliance, efficiency, and proactive maintenance, businesses can shorten the payback period and improve profitability. Incorporating insights from the best freeze dryer for pharmaceutical manufacturing ensures a unit selection that matches production needs and maximizes returns. Ultimately, the right freeze dryer is not just a cost, it's a long-term asset that enhances quality, compliance, and market competitiveness. FAQs. Question number 1. What is the average freeze dryer installation cost for pharmaceutical use? A high-capacity GMP-compliant freeze dryer can cost between $150,000 and $1 million, excluding facility modifications and utilities. Question number 2. How long does it take to get ROI from a freeze dryer? Typically 2-5 years, depending on batch size, production efficiency, and maintenance practices. Question number 3. What factors reduce freeze dryer ROI? Frequent breakdowns, high energy consumption, poor process optimization, and product quality issues. Question number 4. Can energy-efficient freeze dryers improve ROI? Yes. They lower operational costs and often have shorter payback periods. Question number 5. What maintenance steps improve ROI? Routine performance verification and preventive checks reduce downtime. Question number 6. Do regulatory guidelines impact installation costs? Yes. Compliance with GMP requirements may require facility upgrades. Question number 7. Is ROI higher for large-scale or small-scale freeze dryers? Large-scale units generally yield higher ROI due to economies of scale, but small-scale units can still be profitable in niche markets. Question number 8. How does process optimization affect ROI? It shortens drying times, increases throughput, and reduces energy usage. Question number 9. Can improper installation affect ROI? Yes, poor installation can lead to operational inefficiencies and costly repairs. Question number 10. What is the role of operator training in ROI? Well, trained staff can prevent costly errors and maintain product quality. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.